Hi guys, today I'm gonna help you how to create Hello World, the first line of code for Java programming language. Before we start that, we expect that you have download and install JDK and set JavaBat on your computer. Else, I'm gonna set the first at the first comment the link for how to download and set JavaBat on your computer. Yes, there's different IDEA used for Java programming language. It could be Eclipse, could be IntelliJ. I have IntelliJ and more on my computer. Then how I am creating new project, I click on new project. Yes, then I have to write the name of my project, name of the project. It should be common case where you write two words, for example. The first word, the first letter should be capital and the rest small, and there's no space between two words like this one word. So what I'm doing, H is capital letter, then rest is small of the rest letter of the word is small. Then the next word, there is no space, could be underscore, could be minus, but I prefer like this. Then the second word should be also the first letter could be capital but the very small, and you have to select where it should be located the workspace. Good. Pick create. Then now is a creating project for me and is loading the main class and automatically create Java a class to me called main, and that main class has a main method where we able to run Java code by the compiler. Good. I don't need these lines right now, and just have to give briefly a description about the class. This is the class name. Also start with a capital letter, and public class is a public, can be called from everywhere. We come to that later. And it has a main method, and we start the class. This is the body of the class is called color bracket. We start here and we close at this one. And the also main method has a color bracket open and a close, where we select the color bracket. It show you where is open and a close. If we need to write the code, we have to write the code inside the main method to be able for the compiler to run your code. Good. We start system. System is a library or a class, has number of classes where you can use it used by compiler to help you to create Java code. Good. Then hit out. We need to print something out. Then I'm in print. Print is this is a method where I will display my text hello world. And remember, each line of the end of each line of code in Java should be end with semicolon. Okay, remember that. Then I want to write hello world. I have to put my text between two quotation mark like this. Okay, to be able to be displayed as a string value. We have different data types in Java. We come to that later. Now we are trying to display string. Hello world. Good. Then hit run. Then it will display your text inside the console window. Yes, now it's open the console window and it tells you here that what we have written, hello world 2023. That's what we have typed. Good. Thank you guys for watching, and there is many different lines of code for Java programming language coming later in the next features. Thank you for watching.